In the quiet of the night, my tears gently fall. I whisper to the breeze, I wish you didn't have to endure this at all. I have to step back to protect you from my inner strife. It's a mother's duty, you come first before my own life. This is the hardest farewell my heart will ever face. Walking away, I hope your life will be an unburdened place. I want you to be spared from my struggles and pain, hoping you'll find it in your heart to forgive this choice one day. Dear little bird, I'm setting you free from the chaos of my past that still torments me. These wings may be broken, I can't lift you high. I am letting you go so you can soar beneath a brighter sky. Mothers are meant to protect, to be a fortress and shield, to chase away worries, making hearts heal. But the demons I battle keep me from being whole, and this choice is made to safeguard your untainted soul. Dear little bird, I'm setting you free from the chaos of my past that still torments me. These wings may be broken, I can't lift you high. I am letting you go so you can soar beneath a brighter sky. Maybe one day I'll share the burdens I carried alone. The sacrifices made, whispered in the softest tone. You possess such innocence, a bloom in the sun. I knew I couldn't let my darkness harm you, my little one. Dear little bird, I'm setting you free from the chaos of my past that still torments me. These wings may be broken, I can't lift you high. I am letting you go so you can soar beneath a brighter sky. Daddy's waiting with open arms, a safe place to be. A loving embrace that's always there, patient.